you're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Valentine's Day clean and decorate with me. I have been so excited to decorate for Valentine's Day, and I think it's just because any excuse to put pink everywhere in my house, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna get excited about it. So I hope you guys are excited too. I've been excited to share this with you guys, and what I'm doing right now is I'm just starting off getting everything in my kitchen clean. That way I can start off with a clean base and then decorate, because why would you want to decorate a dirty house? That doesn't work. So first things first, I'm starting off cleaning up after breakfast. This was a Saturday morning, so I'm just loading the dishes, cleaning the sink, wiping the counters, you know, usual stuff. And I am cleaning off a few bit of my cabinets because I am going to be decorating those a little bit. And here's another little real mom life I left in for y'all, because again, if you're a mom and you're cleaning for 20 minutes straight, I envy you, because that is not my life. So I thought I'd leave this in again for you guys to show real life.
Looking for a mirror, and I think I found it in your eyes. She's been looking for a reason, and I think she found it in my mind. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying.
Once all of my counters are wiped off and everything's nice and clean, I'm gonna move over to my kitchen table, just clean it off, give it a good wipe down, and then you'll see this little Walmart bag here. I've had my Valentine's Day decor that I picked up, just a few little pieces in here, waiting for this video. So I will finally get to take it out and show you guys. So the first things I picked up are these little 98-cent hearts from Walmart, and then the Opal House towel and table runner, and then some conversation hearts and a happy Valentine's Day sign. I actually didn't end up using those conversation hearts, but they are a cute way to decorate. So I'm just going to take this Opal House table runner. I got this from Target for $9.99, and I thought it was really cute with all the hearts. And then I'm going to put my picture on top with my pink roses my husband got me. And then I found this little XOXO balloon banner at Walmart. I think it was $2. I ended up breaking the other X and O. These things are so hard to blow up. So I only had one X and O left. And I decided to hang it up in my window above my sink. And I think it turned out super, super cute. After that, I'm going to take these little 98-cent hearts I got from Walmart and some command strips. I just cut off the little hangy piece, and then I stuck the command strip on the back of the heart. And then I took the other piece off, and then I'm gonna put that on my cabinet door above my stove. And I thought this looked super cute next to my coffee bar. I did have a full decorate with me for my coffee bar. I did last week. I will link that down below and up above for you guys. And then I got this little letterboard type thing, I think is what it's called, off Amazon for $8.50. It is so cute and so affordable. I'll link that down below. And I just put "love is in the air." Nope, that's just bacon on there. So, and then I'm gonna hang my little towel on my oven. And I think that's about it for my kitchen. After that, I'm just gonna wipe down my stove and give the floor a good vacuum. I feel like I focused the main part of my Valentine's Day decor in the kitchen, and I think that's because of my coffee bar. I just thought it would all look really cute together in here.
Hey, this might come out as total madness, but just wait.
Once I'm all done vacuuming, I did actually move my wood clock from Target in here. I think this was like $20 or $30, and I decided to put it above my table because I got this amazing chalkboard from Hobby Lobby. It was $40. It was a bit pricey. I don't normally spend that much on home decor, but it fits this space so well, and I think it is so cute here above my entryway table. And I just decided to put this little "Be Mine" Valentine's Day themed message on it. After that, I'm just going to give my entryway table a little wipe down, and I'm going to change the decor on it a little bit. I wasn't in love with the decor on it since after Christmas, so I'm messing around with it a little bit here, deciding what I like, and you'll see I move it around a bit.
Somehow now everything is alright.
But here I'm just playing around with things, putting things up, taking them away. The little white houses I got at the Target dollar spot around fall. I think they were $3 each. They weren't badly priced at all. The little hello sign is for my mantle. I only placed it here for a second. I thought it was too dark, but that is from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I have a little tin tray that I like to keep like our keys and stuff in if we run in. And that is from Hobby Lobby. The little green plant I think is from Ross. The pink roses are from Marshall's, I think, and I thought that was a cute little touch of pink for Valentine's Day. And then the little bird cage is from Hobby Lobby, and the Scentsy is from Walmart. And I thought this turned out pretty cute. After that, my coat rack here, this thing always gets so over flooded and crowded in the wintertime, so I'm just putting away a bunch of our jackets now. After that, I'm just gonna give my entryway a good vacuum, and then it's done in there. And guys, that chalkboard just makes that space. I freaking love it. After that, I'm just gonna go into my living room, and I'm just gonna start cleaning up a bit and decluttering.
Everything is alright with you. Under street lights right next to the skyline with you.
And then I got this little Happy Valentine's sign or banner. It's a banner, not a sign, from Target last year, and I had it on my mantle, but I thought it would be really cute this year to put it across my windows. I don't know if Target has this anymore, but they do have lots of Happy Valentine's Day banners, and they're really cute.
Everything is alright.
After that, I'm going to take this light pink Sherpa throw. I got this from Walmart around Christmas for only $8.88. I don't know if they still have them, but if they do, definitely pick them up. They're super cute and really, really comfy. After that, I'm just going to start in on doing a little dusting. I didn't add any Valentine's Day decor to my TV stand, and I barely added any to my mantle because I didn't want it to look like Valentine's Day had thrown up in here. But I did want to add little touches here and there. This little holiday countdown I got for 30 cents at Target after Halloween. And I got the little Happy Valentine's Day sign as well from the Target dollar spot. I think it was $1. But after Christmas, I didn't want a ton of clutter everywhere like Christmas time brings. I still wanted to be festive and decorative, but I didn't want to go crazy. And I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I feel like it's super cute and girly. After that, I'm just gonna give the couches a good vacuum because dogs, and then I'm gonna vacuum our living room floor.
We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get some love. You and me, we kept on riding.
And if you're ever wondering what's on our TV, it is Cookie Swirl C. D is obsessed with Cookie Swirl. If your kids are too, leave a comment down below. I feel for you, friend. I feel for you.
But the city's getting crowded. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine.
And here's the living room all done. Again, I didn't go crazy, but I added a few little touches for a really affordable price. And I'm just lighting a candle, and that is the end. This is how everything turned out. I hope you guys like it. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's not over cluttered or overdone, but there are a few little pieces here and there, especially in my kitchen, to be festive. So if you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day clean and decorate with me, make sure and give this video a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you here, and I will see you guys back here on Thursday for a brand new video. Bye.
You say